Hi everybody. Today we're going to cover two beginner must knows in one video, the magic ring and how to work in the round to build a perfect flat circle. If you've ever ended up with a hole in the middle of your amigurumi or a wonky wavy circle, this video fixes both. So grab your hook and your yarn and let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to grab your yarn, you're going to wrap it around your two fingers, form an X, as you can see there. You're going to slide your hook under that first strand and over the back strand of that X. Then hook that strand behind it, turn your hook and pull the strand through, and now you have a loop on your hook. And I'll show you once more how to do that. Going to wrap your yarn around two fingers, form an X. You're going to bring your hook up underneath that first strand over the second strand and grab that second strand with your hook and pull it back through. Now, once that loop is on your hook, don't pull it tight yet. Leave it loose to work into. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to chain one. It doesn't count as a stitch. Then you're going to insert your hook through the center of your ring and you're going to yarn up and pull up a loop. You've got two loops on your hook and then you're going to yarn over and pull through both. So we have our magic ring done and we've put our first single crochet into that loop or into the circle. We're going to work up 6 single crochets into this circle. Okay, so we've already done one, so this is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so what we've done is we've done our single crochets over both those strands to our working yarn and our tail. What we're going to do now is we're going to pull that tail, and as you can see it closes that circle up. You can pull it good and tight and there'll be no hole there at all. Then we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can put a stitch marker into your first stitch if you like, just to keep track of where you are. And then we're going to slip stitch back into that first stitch. And that is your magic circle done and your first round of single crochets. Okay, so for round 2, again, we're going to chain 1. You can pop a stitch marker in there if you like. And then we're going to put another single crochet into that same stitch. And yep, we're going to put another single crochet into that same stitch. So this is our increase. So we're going to put 2 single crochets into this next stitch as well. That's 1 and that is 2. So now we have 4 stitches. Again, 2 single crochets into the next one. And I'm going to repeat that all the way around. Make sure you have 12 stitches when I meet you back here. Got back. This was our joining stitch, so you don't have to worry too much about that one. And this is our starting stitch, so we're going to slip stitch into the top of that. This comes loose, don't worry about it, you can always tighten it up again, so don't cut this until the end. Again, for our next round, what we're going to do is we're going to be doing another increase round. And here's the one rule that makes every circle come out perfectly flat. Each round you increase by the same number you start with. So if you start with 6, you're going to increase by 6. Okay, so we've chained 1. We're going to put 1 single crochet into that first stitch, and then we're going to put 2 single crochets into the second stitch. And our next one, we're going to put in 1 single crochet, and then we're going to put in 2 into the next stitch, 2, again 1 single crochet, and then the next one 2 single crochets, and repeat that all the way around. So we've had 6 and we've 12. When we finish this one, we'll have 18. So again, continue around and I will meet you back at the Putting a stitch marker in your first stitch always helps, but if you forget to put it in, all you do is count back and make sure you have your 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Again, slip stitch to the beginning. And that is your magic circle and how to work in the round. You're going to continue working rounds of increases until you have your circle the size you want. So again, you're going to increase by 6 for the next round. So you'll have 24 stitches. So what you do is you put a single crochet into the first 2 stitches. Then you put 2 single crochets into the next stitch. 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches. 2 single crochets in the next 1 stitch. And repeat that all the way around. And yet for the round then after that, it's 3 single crochets in the next 3 stitches. And then 2 in the 4th stitch. And that's it. You've got a perfect flat circle using the magic ring on a proper increase round. This is the foundation for granny squares, amigurumi, apologies if I'm not pronouncing that right, hats, coasters, basically everything worked in the round starts here. If this helped, I've got more beginner tutorials linked below. And until next time, happy crocheting!